What's up, guys? It's Jonas right here with another video. Today we're gonna do a Big Moments player opening, Big Moments pack opening. It's just one Big Moments pack, so yeah, let's see if we get anything good from it. Let's go here now. Let's go to my team. There we go. There's that thing right there. Right here, the Big Moments player. Alright, let's see who we get. We get Corny Lee. Of course we do, the worst player. No, not the worst player, but pretty bad. Okay, I was expecting way better, but that's okay though. That's still pretty good. Cornelia is pretty good. I'm gonna complain at all. Yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys for watching, and